welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class we have learned that how to build a restaurant website in HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So now, first of all, I will open my Sublime text editor. I will tell you in next class you have brackets, VS Code, you can open it. I have Sublime, so I will open it. And the press, he will open easily. Here you can see it, easily this open. I will erase this or erase and this erase. And my file is already make it. So I will go to the index.html file. Here I will write HTML tab. Here it is come. Here I will write document. Sorry, not document. First of all, I will side by side. I will tell you. So beginner level. And now here I will go. Here I will go. Save. Refresh. Done. Here I will go. Here I will write Resturant website. Done our work. And now, first of all, here I will go. And here I will go, here I will Resturant website, and here I will go enter press, and first of all, here I will link tab, and here I will write a style, the CSS, and here I will erase this, and now, first of all, here my done work, so I will go to the style, the CSS, here, then enter, and I will pick up my background image. So my background image should be, I will pick up should be in pixels, and now pixels I will click this website, and here I will write food image, and then our work. So it is come here, he is loading. Okay, so food images, so I will pick up this image because I love this image, so he is downloading, and he is downloading, so I will go to the here, and here I will write background image should be, he is downloaded, so I will go to the here file explorer, and I will go to the here downloads. Here my picture is come. Here I will go. Here I will write food, and here the work I will go to the my Sublime text editor. Here I will write food .jpg, save, refresh, and it is not come, so I will check it. Food images, I will link it. So first I will save to the here, so my picture is come, but it is not a perfect image, so I will perfect it. I will go here. Here I will write background attachment should be fixed, save, refresh, then our background attachment should be fixed, background size should be covered, save, refresh. So my pictures come perfectly. I will go to the here I will go, here I will write, go to the index.html, here I will go, here I will write h1, and here I will write sorry, not website, here I will write rent fast food, and now I will save here, refresh, so it is coming easily here. Here I will go to the style.css, here I will write font family should be my Montserrat /sans serif. Go here, save it, refresh, so my font is come here easily. Here I will write font family, then here I will write color should be my, here I will erase this, color should be ff, means white, and here I will go, save, refresh, so till here we get the over, and here I will write, here I will go, and here I will write text align should be center, shift there, refresh, text align should be center, and here I will go h1, padding should be 410 pixels, save, refresh, till here my done over, and here you can see it. You can scroll down and scroll up. Here you can see it. Here I will Well done. So my picture is not picking good. I will erase his color. His color should be 00. Save, refresh. So it's like good, but it is here I will go again, and here I will go. Oh, and here I will not write only restaurant. Resturant, save, refresh, and then over till here, and here I will go. Here I will write font size should be my 100 pixels. Save, refresh. So here we can see it, but it is so big. So here 100 not. Here I will like 50. Save, refresh. So it is good, and here we can see it. I will easily my restaurant website in HTML and CSS. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.